How to go on in the report. You, as a user of the RepTool as reporter, you may choose the use of any fraction, its component in the final technology. Please see the video Fractions to Final Technologies. Choose the use on this. When you search the applicable uses with the three-dot button, and being in the list of available components used in final technology, you will see the agreed model classification regarding what to count to recycling and what to count to recovery. In model number 1, we distinguished between, let's see at plastics, MR for recycling as material recycling to distinguish at this time from energy recovery. Energy recovery, thermal disposal, and LD as other or mainly landfill disposal. See the example on plastics, where we have e.g. plastics for the production of plastics or granulates, clearly classified as recycling, and plastics being used as reducing agent, classified as recycling because it is used in a production process of a copper smelter special. See the definition of recycling based on the WF Directive 2002. Or let's have a look at glass. Glass being used as raw material in glass production, clearly classified as recycling. And glass being used as slag forming component, classified as recycling because it is used in a production process of a copper smelter. See the definition of recycling based on the WF Directive 2002. In model number 2, we inserted the interim term of OMR, other material recovery, to have now the options, beside preparing for reuse, of R for recycling, OMR for other material recovery, still energy recovery and thermal disposal and landfill or other disposal. See the examples of plastics like used before, where we still have plastics for the production of plastics or granulates, clearly classified as recycling. But plastics being used as reducing agent is now classified as OMR, as no products of carbon are achieved and carbon is leaving the plant as CO2 through the chimney. See the definition of recycling based on the Waste Framework Directive 2008. Or looking at the options for glass, we still have glass being used as raw material in glass production, clearly classified as recycling. But glass being used as slag forming component, we distinguish the classification based on the use of slag as byproduct or as or in a defined product as recycling. And if slag is not used as a byproduct or as or in a defined product, as OMR, as other slag forming components are replaced by the glass. You as reporter may only choose a use in a final technology with the given model classification. You may not change the model classification. You may only do a different national classification, but of course you should approve by relevant documents or interpretations given by your national authority. Please see a planned video on the national classification under advanced uses.